Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, first and last n characters. We start by including the necessary libraries, stdio. H for input, output operations and string. H for string handling functions. Next, within our main function, we declare two variables, str, an array of characters to store our input string, and n, an integer representing the number of characters we want to compare. We read the input using scanf. The %s format specifier reads a string without spaces, and %d reads an integer. It reads the string into the str array and the integer n. Then, we use strlen function from string.h to get the length of the string str. Moving on to the comparison part, we use a for loop to iterate n times, where n is the value of the variable n. Inside the loop, we compare each character from the start of the string, str, with the corresponding character from the end of the string. If any character pair doesn't match, we immediately print no and exit the program as it indicates that the first n characters are not equal to the last n characters. Otherwise, if the loop completes without finding any mismatch, we print yes, confirming that the first n characters are equal to the last n characters in the given string. And that's how we determine if the first n characters of a string are equal to the last n characters using the C code. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.